Hi guys, it's Velian here from Velian Speaks Tech, and today there is further news about the Mi Mix Alpha or Mix Alpha that was posted on the Tech in Depth Telegram channel. I'll post the link below. It's a very nice channel with a lot of good news, but they say that they have an internal slide deck from the PowerPoint presentation for the Mix Alpha. And this pretty much confirms the wraparound display, the Face ID, the eSIM NFC also confirmed, and like take a look here, a Xiaomi watch is also coming, by the way. So let's see. Yeah, I'm not pretty sure if that's fake or not. The device looks pretty much like the one that we've seen on from the teaser that was posted from late June on his Weibo account. So it might be the real thing, but yeah, it just looks weird, and I can say right now, yeah, it's kind of like it's too thick. But okay, it has an eSIM, it has a Face ID, it has NFC, and okay, let's see what other things. Yeah, okay, that's kind of what I want to share with you guys. Don't forget, next Tuesday, the 24th of September, is going to be the premiere of the Mi9 Pro 5G, Mi Mix 5G, Mix Alpha. I think the new Mi TV with 8K resolution. So a lot of new products are going to be unveiled from Xiaomi. So stay tuned. All right, take care. Bye.